everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Sweetie Ardo and thank you for tuning in. I hope you all are doing well. Now in today's video, I'm going to review two Ayurveda based skincare products that has the goodness of Kumkumadi, Saffron and 24 karat gold flakes. That is the secret to radiant and youthful skin. This powerful combo has been crafted to rejuvenate and illuminate your skin and also boost collagen to improve the skin's elasticity. And those two products are from the brand, the Ayurveda company T.A.C. And the products are T.A.C, the Ayurveda company Glow Boosting Face Serum with the goodness of Kumkumadi, Saffron and 24 karat gold. T.A.C, the Ayurveda company Kumkumadi Face Moisturizer with the goodness of Kumkumadi, Saffron and 24 karat gold. These two products are fast absorbing. They give an ultralight feel to your skin. They are meant for all skin types and these products are IU certified, good manufacturing practice certified, ISO certified, dermatologically tested, cruelty free. They are meant for all skin types. They are paraben and sulfate free and also SLS and SLES free. So please continue to watch the entire video because in this video, I'm going to talk about this powerful combo in brief. I'm going to talk about their packaging, how they feel on your skin, the ingredients and how they can benefit your skin. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And now, without further ado, let's get started. Let us talk about the packaging of the T.A.C, the Ayurveda company Glow Boosting Face Serum. It comes in a glass bottle like this. It has a dropper to it. And the best part is that you have to click on the top of the dropper to pick up the product and again click on the top of the dropper to take out the product. As you can see, this has a very beautiful packaging. This product comes in an outer packaging like this. All the details which are mentioned in the outer packaging is also mentioned in the inner packaging. This glow boosting face serum has active Ayurveda. It is fast absorbing and it is meant for all skin types. Now let me show you how the product looks like. Now we pick up the product like this. We take out the product. Now this is how the feel of the product looks like. Now can you see how fast absorbing it is? And it is really hydrating. Now this product with regular use reduce dark spots and pigmentation. It promotes healthy, glowing and radiant skin and also it maintains the skin's elasticity and firmness. Talking about the main ingredients of T.A.C Glow Boosting Face Serum, it has Kumkumadi. Now Kumkumadi nourishes and hydrates the skin. It has Saffron. Saffron brightens and illuminates the skin. It has 24 karat gold flakes that boost collagen and improves the elasticity of the skin. Also has Brahmi that nourishes and improves the skin's texture. It has rosehip that protects and replenishes the skin's barrier. Now, let's talk about the T.A.C Kumkumadi Face Moisturizer. The T.A.C, the Ayurveda company Kumkumadi Face Moisturizer with saffron and 24 karat gold comes in a tube packaging like this. It comes in an outer cardboard packaging like this. Now, all the details which are mentioned in the outer packaging is also mentioned in the inner packaging. This face moisturizer is very lightweight. It is quick absorbing and it has a non-sticky formula. Now look at it, how light it is. It completely blends and absorbs deeply into the skin, provides a deep nourishment and keeping the skin moisturized all day long. Look at it, how beautiful it feels on the skin. Can you see how moisturizing it is? Now talking about the smell of it, both the products smell really flowery and it is so pleasant, nothing very overpowering. Talking about the main ingredients, again, it has Kumkumadi that nourishes and hydrates the skin. It has saffron that brightens and illuminates the skin. It has shea butter that nourishes and hydrates the skin. It has aloe vera that moisturizes and again hydrates the skin and gives a cooling effect to the skin. It has licorice roots that improves complexion. It has sandalwood that reduces blemishes and dark spots. And it has 24 karat gold flakes. As I have said, it boosts the collagen, imparts glow to your skin and improves the elasticity of the skin. Regular use of this moisturizer deeply moisturizes and protects your skin, boosts collagen to give you a youthful skin, and also makes the skin radiant and even toned. Now let me show you how to include this product in your daily skincare routine to achieve a radiant glow to your skin. Apply a few drops of Kumkumadi Glow Boosting Face Serum on a cleansed face. Spread evenly on your skin and pat gently till it gets absorbed. Infused with the goodness of Kumkumadi, saffron, and 24 karat gold flakes, this glow boosting face serum improves skin texture, brightens, and naturally illuminates dull skin for a healthy, glowing complexion. Now, pump out the T.A.C, the Ayurveda company, Kumkumadi Face Moisturizer with saffron and 24 karat gold, and apply it on the face and neck evenly. Massage well until it gets absorbed. This Kumkumadi Face Moisturizer, which is infused with real 24 karat gold flakes and the trio of premium saffron, sandalwood, and Mulethi extract, helps nourish and brighten your skin tone, improve elasticity, fight dark spot, and reduce blemishes and pigmentation. So loves, the Kumkumadi Face Serum and Moisturizer combo harness the power of Ayurvedic herbs to rejuvenate your skin, reducing blemishes, promoting an even toned skin, and boost collagen to improve skin elasticity. So I believe you loved watching this video, and if you did, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. For your convenience, I have listed the product details in the description box below. I'll see you soon with another such video. Till then, take care and embrace wellness.